Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to encrypt your Vivo Y200. If you're using Vivo Y200 and now you want to protect or encrypt your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You must have to enable or disable some settings. So open your settings app and now go for privacy here. Just look for privacy, tap on it, and then you will get a lot of settings you can easily make. First, you have to open privacy dashboard, and here you can easily manage your accessment. You can easily see that how much time your location, microphone or camera and other permissions has been accessed in past 24 hours. Here's all permission which are being accessed. Now go back and here's the permission manager. You can easily manage your permissions from here. It might be camera, contacts, files, photos and videos you want. You can easily manage them. Go back and here's the data sharing privacy update. If you are being located, so it will inform you after. And here's the smart privacy protection. Just tap on it and it will protect your screen sharing privacy while you're on a video call or meeting. Go back and here's the much more setting, which is your password. If you want to see your password on lock screen when you're unlocking your phone, so you just have to enable it. But if you want to hide your password, you must have to disable the setting at the show media on lock screen. If you are playing anything in background, it might be any music or video, and now you want to hide it from your lock screen, you just have to disable the setting. If you want to see it or show it, you just have to enable the settings. And here the show clipboard access. When you copy anything, it will see on your clipboard in a short window. If you want to hide it, just have to disable the setting. If you want to show this, you have to enable the settings. And there is a screenshot detection prompt. You must have to enable the settings. And here's the unlock the power off. I recommend you have to enable the setting. It will recommend to enter password before power off your phone. Here's the notification lock screen. If you want to hide your notification on lock screen, you must have to enable the third one. But if you want to see your notification, you have to enable the first one option. And then the much more setting is the app encryption. You can easily encrypt your apps with your password or fingerprint. Here's the app hiding. You can easily hide your apps using this from your home screen. Go back into the password and security. You can easily manage your passwords from here. The screen lock, fingerprint, and face. So that's how you can easily encrypt your view for 200. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.